Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Explorer, your go-to channel for the latest smartphone innovations. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, a phone that promises flagship-level performance at a mid-range price. With a 6.73-inch AMOLED 2K display, the latest Snapdragon 8's Elite processor, a massive 7,000 mAh battery, and a premium design, this device is built to impress. But does it really live up to the hype? Let's find out in today's full review. Redmi has stepped up its design game with the Turbo 4 Pro, giving it a sleek and premium finish. The device features a glass front and an aluminum frame, ensuring both durability and a high-end feel in hand. One of the standout features is its IP68 water and dust resistance, which means the phone can handle accidental spills and even submersion in water without any issues. Whether you're using it in the rain or near a pool, you don't have to worry about damage. The curved edges and ultra-slim bezels add to its aesthetics, making the Turbo 4 Pro look and feel like a true flagship. Available in Glacier Blue, Phantom Black, and Titanium Silver, Redmi is offering a design that looks premium at every angle. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro boasts a 6.73-inch AMOLED panel with a 2K resolution, delivering crystal-clear visuals, deep blacks, and vibrant colors. With a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling through apps, gaming, and watching videos feels buttery smooth. The HDR10 Plus and Dolby Vision support ensure an immersive cinematic experience, making this display perfect for watching Netflix, YouTube, or playing high-end games. Brightness levels are also impressive, reaching up to 1,800 nits peak brightness, ensuring excellent visibility even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is powered by the Snapdragon 8's Elite processor, a cutting-edge chipset built on 4nm technology. This ensures blazing fast performance, whether you're multitasking, playing resource-heavy games like Genshin Impact or Call of Duty Mobile, or editing 4K videos. Paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage, app loading times are near instant, and background apps stay open longer for a seamless experience. To keep thermals in check, Redmi has implemented an advanced cooling system, ensuring optimal performance even under heavy usage. Whether you're gaming for hours or editing high-resolution content, the Turbo 4 Pro remains cool and efficient. Redmi has equipped the Turbo 4 Pro with a dual-camera setup, featuring a 50MP main sensor with optical image stabilization, OIS, and an 8MP ultra-wide camera. The 50MP sensor captures sharp, detailed images with natural colors and excellent dynamic range, even in low-light conditions. With OIS, you get shake-free photos and stable videos, making it perfect for content creators. The 8MP ultra-wide lens is great for capturing landscapes, group shots, and creative wide-angle photos. While it's not the most powerful ultra-wide camera out there, it gets the job done with good clarity and minimal distortion. If you love recording videos, the Turbo 4 Pro supports 4K video recording, along with advanced night mode and AI-enhanced video stabilization. One of the most impressive features of the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is its massive 7,000 mAh battery, making it one of the longest-lasting smartphones in its category. This means you can go 2 full days on a single charge with moderate usage. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or browsing, battery anxiety is a thing of the past. When it's time to recharge, the 90W fast charging support ensures you can go from 0 to 100% in just under 40 minutes. No more waiting for hours, Just plug in and get back to action in no time. The Redmi Turbo 4 Pro runs on HyperOS 2, based on Android 15, offering faster animations and smoother UI transitions. Better RAM management for improved multitasking. Enhanced security and privacy features. If you're looking for a powerful mid-range smartphone with flagship-level features, the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro is an excellent choice. It offers a stunning 6.73-inch 2K AMOLED display, a high-performance Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, a massive 7,000 mAh battery with 90W fast charging, a premium, durable design with IP68 water resistance. For gamers, power users, and those who need long battery life, the Turbo 4 Pro stands out as one of the best options in its price range. But what do you think? Is the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro the best mid-range powerhouse of 2025? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to Tech Explorer, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.